Aviva's been busy working on her awesome animal-inspired vehicles. She has some cool new attachments that you can use to build your own creature mobile and race it against Zach Farm Attack. Happy creature racing!
First, choose a racetrack. Then pick the wrench button to customize your racer. Different tracks feature different terrain, like snow and water. Your racer's looking good. Let's race!
It's you against Zach. Did you pick the right animal attachments to win on this track? Let's find out. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh, Zach's in the lead. See ya, Zach. You won! Good job!
Did I ever tell you? You're a genius.
Want to try a new racetrack?